Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video, but we have potential tropical cyclone 3. So it is supposed to be a tropical storm. The reason why is a potential because it isn't technically a depression because we don't really have enough data on the storm. Also too, it just doesn't look good. And we actually have a recon going out at the moment. So it is supposed to be Tropical Storm Claudette. We have tropical storm warnings. But yeah, let me talk about that. But so we have a 30 to 40% chance for tropical storm force winds. Yeah. 50 knots to hurricane none. 1 to 2 feet from Cameron to Intracoastal City to Mississippi and Alabama border. Vermilion Bay is also included in that 2.3 feet. Mississippi, Alabama border to Alabama, Florida border. We have 1 to 3 feet. Mobile Bay, 1 to 3 feet. And Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Mauritania, 1 to 2 feet. Storm surge. So the earliest reasonable arrival time is from 2 to 8 o'clock, where it might make landfall in Louisiana. Louisiana is the main portion for landfall. And then Friday from 8 p.m. to Saturday 8 a.m. is when it's supposed to, so about 10 o'clock. And let's see the more detailed landfall location. So extremely close to Morgan City, Shell Island, Atchafalaya Bay. Sorry if I mispronounced it. We're going into Morgan City, so Morgan City is the main area for landfall. So, potential tropical cyclone over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, expected to bring heavy rainfall and flooding to the northern Gulf Coast. Summary of 4 p.m. CDT or 21 UTC. Its location is 22.9 north and 92.4 west, about 475 miles or 765 kilometers south of Morgan City or Louisiana. The maximum sustained winds are 30 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour. The present movement is north or 360 degrees at 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. The minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars or 29.77 inches. So a tropical storm warning has been issued for the Gulf Coast from Intracoastal City, Louisiana to the Alabama, Florida border, including Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Mauritania, and metropolitan New Orleans. So summary of the watches and warnings in effect. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Intracoastal City, Louisiana to the Alabama-Florida border. Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Mauritania, and metropolitan New Orleans also included. A tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area within 36 hours. Interest elsewhere along the northern Gulf Coast should monitor the progress of the system. At 4 p.m. CDT, 21 UTC, the disturbance was central near latitude 22.9 north, longitude 92.4 west. The system is moving toward the north and near 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. And this motion with some increase in forward speed is expected for the next day or so. On the forecast track, the system will approach the north-central Gulf Coast late Friday or early Saturday. A northwestward motion across the southeastern U.S. is likely after landfall. Maximum sustained winds are near 30 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Some strengthening is forecast tonight and Friday. A subtropical or tropical depression or storm is likely to form over the west central Gulf of Mexico tonight or early Friday. Formation chance to the next 48 hours is high at 90 and 5 days it's also high at 90. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars or 29.77 inches. So rainfall, the potential tropical cyclone is expected to produce total rainfall of 3 to 6 inches with isolated amounts of 8 inches across the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. Rainfall totals of 4 to 8 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 12 inches, all possible beginning Friday and continuing through the weekend from the central Gulf Coast northeastward into the southern Appalachians. This will likely produce areas of flash urban and small stream flooding, as well as a minor isolated moderate flooding with new and renewed rises on already elevated rivers. Storm surge, the combination of storm surge and tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters from inland from the shorelines. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. As I already said, you can read it if you want, but I already said it, so I ain't gonna say it. So surge-related flooding depends on relative timing of the surge and the tidal cycle and can vary greatly over short distances. For information specific to your area, please see products issued by your local NWS forecast office. Wind tropical storm conditions are expected to first reach the coast within the warning area on Friday, making outside preparations difficult or dangerous. So tornadoes, the threat for a couple tornadoes should begin on Friday afternoon across coastal Louisiana. This threat should expand northward across southern portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and southwest Alabama on Saturday. The next intermediate advisory at 7 a.m. CDT, and the next complete advisory will be at 10 p.m. CDT. And thank you, forecaster Posh. 1 second. So all the portions that you see in red are tropical storm warnings. I believe the green is flash flood watches and warnings. Have a good day and stay safe. More videos coming out on potential tropical cyclone 3 or tropical depression 3 or tropical storm Claudette or hurricane Claudette. Yeah. Probably not Hurricane Claudette. But see you later.